Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing a clean signal path. Make sure the microphone or pickup is routed correctly into your interface. Set your project to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and pick a sine or triangle wave as the base because they reveal frequency shifts clearly. Once done, set a 60 BPM click to sense timing and generate a steady 100 Hz tone to establish a reference point. This gives you a predictable starting RPM sound to modulate. Now modulate that bass tone by assigning an LFO to pitch. You use a triangle or sawtooth LFO because they emulate cyclical engine motion. Set the LFO rate to match your RPM target. For example, 1000 RPM corresponds to about 16. 7 cycles per second for a single event per revolution, and adjust depth so pitch shifts are realistic but not exaggerated. Also, add a short amplitude envelope to create pulse dynamics, which helps the ear interpret repeating mechanical. Finish by layering harmonic content. Duplicate the track and detune an octave, or apply mild distortion to introduce grit, because real RPM sounds have rich overtones. Use EQ to clean up the result. Remove muddiness around 200 Hz and subtly boost 2 to 5 kHz for mechanical bite. If the effect sounds unstable or jittery, check your sample rate, confirm the LFO is synced to tempo, and increase your audio buffer size. These steps resolve most timing and artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.